Welcome to my personal closet. These next few reels, I'm going to share tips and tricks about organizing your closet and building a custom design. We'll talk about shoe storage, when to fold versus when to hang, lighting, and so much more. But first, let me talk about the #1 lesson that I learned from the first custom closet that I built. It was when I was in San Diego, California 15 years ago, and I did so in collaboration with California Closets. Now, everything was so well planned. We had enough storage for everything. We had a laundry chute. He had his side, I had my side. It was very, very, very nice. So from left to right, as you pan the closet, you can see the various things, and that assortment was kind of messy to me. I mean, it was neat, but it was just different and wasn't uniform. So what I like to do now is add a door to that top row of random storage. And that way it gives it a really clean look. I love having that extra space to store things you might not need all the time. For me, it actually happens to be duplicates of shoes that I love that I don't want to have to shop for again, and snow boots. So don't use those very often. But again, a nice clean look that I am so glad I learned that lesson from the first time around.